Hey, let me show you fingerprint sensor test on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So we are going to check how fast it works. The sensor is actually located right here on the right side. So let's take a look. You don't have to press on this power button, you can just put your finger on it. And after the short delay, it's actually unlocking. The screen. But as you can see, it doesn't recognize my fingerprint all the time, so this is actually not a good point of this sensor. I was using the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and A55 5G. There's actually the fingerprint sensor built into the display, and this sensor works definitely better, faster especially, and those sensors actually recognize my finger all the time. But right here we got actually some kind of the delay. Okay, right now it works better, so maybe we have to actually use this finger sensor for like dozen of the times, and after this it's actually improved the stability, but I'm not sure actually. So yeah, this is actually how the fingerprint sensor works on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. Right now, please subscribe.